So today we will discuss about the human dental formula. So for the let's talk first about the deciduous teeth. Deciduous teeth, which are also known as milk teeth, and they are 20 in number, right? They are 20 in number. So first talk about deciduous, the formula. So the human dental formula. So you have to just learn one formula, so then you will easily able to take out the number or like how many teeth are present in infants, right? So the formula is 2102. So this is the formula. So in previous video I talked about the types of teeth, right? So you must know the types of teeth in that one order, which is incisors first, incisors, right? First incisors, then canines, right? Then premolars, and then it is molars, right? Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So you have to learn that in this one sequence, right? So now first we will take I2, incisors 2, canine 1, premolar 0, and molar 2. So this was about the upper jaw. Now we will divide this same with the same. Okay. So here it will be same. I2, C1, PM0. You can also call this Prime Minister. Then M2. So now we will calculate, and we will multiply this thing with 2. So this is a basic formula, 2102. So the general formula will come here is 2102 multiplied by 2. So this is the general formula which will come here. General formula. You have to learn this formula, so then you will easily able to find the number of teeth in infants, right? So now let's take this out, right? Then when we multiply 2 with 2 is equal to I4, C2, premolar will become 0 to 0, 0. So there is no need to write premolar, right? So M2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Same for the here. I4, C2, M4. What does that mean? Okay, when we count this, means 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 molars, right? 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So it means in upper jaw, this is the upper jaw, right? So in the upper jaw there are 10 teeth, right? And this is the lower jaw. We are talking about lower jaw, which is also known as mandible, okay? And the upper jaw is also known as maxilla. So the lower jaw, this also contain 10 teeth, right? So now let's calculate what will be the sum of it, what will be the number when we add it, okay? So over here, as you can see over here, so I4 plus 4 is equal to I8, right? C4, M4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So in total there will be 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 molars. So when we calculate them, what will be the answer? 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 8 plus is 16, and then plus, sorry, I have to here 4, here will be 4. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4 is equals to 20, right? So there are actually 20 teeth. There are 20 teeth. There are 20 teeth in infants, right? There are 20 teeth in infants, right? So here premolars are missing. Premolars are missing. Premolars are not here. Okay, let me show you the example of baby teeth. So you can see over here how many teeth are here, right? So we can easily count 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the thing which I said, that there will be 10 teeth in lower jaw, right? Now when we talk about the upper jaw, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So over here again there are also 10 teeth in the upper jaw. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Or whenever someone asks you like how many incisors are there, how many canines are there, how many molars are there, so you have the formula 2102. So you can easily find out by that help. So just remember this formula and you'll be easily able to solve all types of MCQs. So I hope the human dental formula for the infants is clear to you.